Well, this is an issue. This morning, this water heater started suddenly leaking, causing the place to get all misted up, causing the ceiling to get wet, the walls get wet, basically everything. We have to turn off that air conditioning unit to just so it doesn't electrocute anybody. I'm glad that piano was shut while it was happening, cause the other side, well, it's kind of wet, but that's mostly dry. And that background noise is the exhaust fan in the restroom. We're trying to dry this off before anything else happens. Of course, we're getting the maintenance to fix it. And right now, it's after 6 a.m. So, bye-bye.